HBQ-905A multi-wire splicing machine.
The maximum types of single-ended parallel wires are 3 different wire diameters. Maximum number of parallel wires at one end is 8. Wire feeding and straightening. Multiple wire diameters can be loaded at the same time. Pendulum yoke-cutting. Core wire inspection. Sealing. Crimping. Crimp detection. Handling and straightening the line. Primary paralleling. Secondary bonding. Heat shrink tubing. Ultrasonic welding. Post-welding inspection. Automatic centering of heat shrink tubing. Heat shrink.